Sadhwani, mother of Bhumi Sadhwani from class KG. Today I am talking about online study. First of all, I want to thank all the teachers and the staff of the school for their hard working and great supporting. And we all of know that this time period we can't able to send our child to school for their study. So online study is very helpful for our children. Thank you everyone. Thank you all the staff for their hard working and great support in online study. Thank you everyone.
Good morning. I'm Rajal Chopra, Sidh mother. So we all know during COVID-19 the school are closed. So their online class. I am glad to have opportunity to appreciate all the teachers for teaching our children. They are studying so well. There is very good support from all teachers in Central Academy School.
Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. I am Varsha Shogani, mother of Soham Shogani. As this is my first time for joining the school Central Academy, I am very happy from them. So I want to thank the staff members, the coordinators and the management. At this time of COVID, the teachers are taking great efforts for providing the highest amount of education. They are also giving the activities to the students to do at home, which will enhance their creativity and confidence. As this experiment for both the parents as well as for the students. So I want to thank all of them. Thank you.
मैं रमेश पारिक और मेरा सुपुत्र अंशुमन पारिक सेंट्रल एकेडमी में नियमित रूप से पढ़ाई कर रहा है और बहुत ही अच्छी होमवर्क वगैरह और जो गाइडलाइन मिलती है इनकी स्कूल क्लास टीचर्स की, तो ये बराबर होमवर्क वगैरह करना, हर सब्जेक्ट के अंदर अच्छी रुचि रखते हुए पढ़ाई कर रहा है। गेम्स में भी हम जो इंडोर गेम वगैरह हम पेरेंट्स वगैरह के साथ खेलते हैं, वो भी सब इनके फ़ोटोग्राफ्स वगैरह मंगवाते हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगता है हमें। तो मैं सेंट्रल एकेडमी की तमाम स्टाफ और प्रिंसिपल वगैरह को धन्यवाद देता हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच।
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर विवेक शर्मा है और मैं भव्या शर्मा का फादर हूँ। जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि अभी पूरा देश कोविड-19 से फाइट कर रहा है। इस सिचुएशन में हमारे बच्चों के हेल्थ और फ्यूचर को सेफ़ रखने के लिए सेंट्रल एकेडमी बहुत ही अच्छा प्रयास कर रहा है। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के अलावा इस समय और कोई बेटर ऑप्शन नहीं हो सकता। सेंट्रल एकेडमी के टीचिंग स्टाफ, टीचर्स और स्टाफ काफ़ी अच्छा एफ़र्ट लगा रहे हैं, जो कि उनके काम में दिख रहा है। इसके लिए मैं सेंट्रल एकेडमी के टीचर्स और स्टाफ को थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगा और मैं चाहूँगा कि और भी पेरेंट्स ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का सपोर्ट करें। स्टे सेफ। थैंक्स।
Hi everyone, I am Neha Purohit, Khyati Purohit's mother. My daughter is studying in Prep D class. I want to tell you about online classes. I am very impressive and happy from this online classes. My daughter is also enjoying this class. She is studying very well. Thanks to all staff and principal ma'am. They all are very hard worker in online classes. Thank you all.
Morning. My name is Vijayalakshmi. My daughter Reva Vyas is studying in Central Academy Pali in KGA. I would love to thank all the teachers for the support they are providing in this period of time, where everyone have to stay home and for their safety. So by the videos we get the help how to teach our child the step-by-step studies, and by seeing the video the child can relate to their teacher and the books which we are providing them. Thank you for your support.
Online studies is an effective way to keep the students involved in studies from home. Apart from studies, teachers have been making efforts to keep the students involved in different kinds of activities. Teachers have also been making their own videos, which is something really very exciting for the little ones because they enjoy looking at their teachers from home. Dance lessons and storytelling lessons are also something which the students are getting online. I'm really thankful to all the teachers for their efforts. Great job, teachers. Thank you all.
Hello, this is Sarita, mother of Vansh, class first E. This is so grateful the children are learning via online classes in this situation of COVID-19. Best thing to utilize the leisure time. Every parent's wondering for this year's education. This platform online classes is so good. New experience class are so good. Thank you.
The online teaching organized by Central Academic School is really a very good approach for study in this situation of COVID-19. Both the students and teachers are doing really hard work to make it successful. Especially the work of teacher is really appreciable in this situation. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Madara Brudhavi Sarkar from Prep A. Now I am telling the benefit of your online classes. Actually, in this tough situation, it is very challenging to us keep the students at the home in this situation. It is very difficult and very tough for the parents. But your online classes help to fight with this challenge. Students also take interest to your online classes. Teachers are very helpful. They give the homework and check it and give the feedback. So students also take interest of this, and teachers also help to motivate our child. So really we are satisfied of this. Thank you.
एवरीवन, नमस्ते। मैं साची थवानी का फादर बोल रहा हूँ और मेरी बच्ची आपकी स्कूल के अंदर स्टडी कर रही है। अभी न्यू एडमिशन दिलवाया है और लॉकडाउन के चक्कर में भी घर पर ही है। आपने जो ये शुरुआत करी है ऑनलाइन स्टडी का, बच्ची घर के अंदर भी ऑनलाइन पढ़ रही है अच्छी तरह से, और आपका जो ऑनलाइन सिस्टम है वो अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे। कम से कम स्कूल में लग रहा है कि जैसे स्कूल में पढ़ रही है, इसकी मम्मी भी अच्छा ध्यान रख रही है, मैं भी ध्यान दे रहा हूँ। थैंक यू।
हेलो, आई एम मदर ऑफ पीवल जैन, क्लास KG-A। मेरी बच्ची ऑनलाइन स्टडी से स्टडी कर रही है जिससे हमें ऐसे कोरोना काल जैसे गंभीर माहौल में भी बच्चों को स्कूल जैसा वातावरण मिल रहा है। थैंक्स टीचर की वो हमें ऐसे वीडियोज और एप्स बना के भेज रही है जिससे हम अपने बच्चों को इजीली पढ़ा लेते हैं। थैंक्स एवरीवन।
हेलो सेंट्रल एकेडमी टीचर्स, मैं दुआ करती हूँ आप लोग सब सेफ होंगे अपने घर में इस कोविड-19 की सिचुएशन में। माई सेल्फ ममता यादव और मेरी बेटी अदिति यादव नर्सरी A क्लास में। हमने अब इसका एडमिशन कराया ही था कि ये सिचुएशन आ गई तो हम उसे स्कूल तो भेज नहीं सकते। तो इस सिचुएशन में जो आप ऑनलाइन क्लासेस जो स्टार्ट की हैं, इसका बहुत ही पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस रहा है। इससे क्या है, रेगुलर उसको कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है। अगर रेगुलर क्लासेस नहीं होती तो है ना, हम जब मन करता जब ये सिखा देते वो सिखा देते, ठीक है वो सीखती, पर इतना नहीं सीख पाती जो रेगुलर क्लासेस के थ्रू सीखती है। जिससे उसको ये रहता है आज ये होमवर्क आया, हमें भी ये रहता है ये कराना है, मैडम को भेजना है, तो इससे उसका मतलब रेगुलर बेसिस पे गेन हो रहा है उसको। और अब जैसे कलरिंग कराना, लाइनिंग ड्रॉ कराना और स्टोरी टेलिंग, बहुत कुछ है जिससे उसको भी अच्छा लगता है, हाँ मैडम ने ये काम भेजा है और मुझे कराना है। हाँ ठीक है, अगर स्कूल जाती है तो उसको फ्रेंड्स मिलते तो उनके साथ और कुछ अच्छा सीखती, पर जब इस सिचुएशन में जा ही नहीं सकती, तो जो आप ये ऑनलाइन क्लासेस जो शुरू की हैं आपने, ये बहुत अच्छा है। गुड, कीप इट अप।
Hello, I am Sapna, Bhavesh mother, who is in Prep C in Central Academy School. Firstly, I appreciate all the teachers and management for conducting these online classes. It is also giving me an opportunity to work more closely with my son. This is a very good experiment for the children as well as parents. Parents are also learning new things and children are more grasping as they understand their mother's language fast. So everything is possible if we work together. Thank you very much.
Good morning ma'am, my name is Asha Vyas. I am the mother of Priyavardhan Vyas. ऑनलाइन स्टडी या क्लासेस के बारे में मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि इसमें डेली बच्चों को स्कूल से वीडियो के थ्रू वीडियो सेंड किया जाता है, उसमें क्लास वर्क और होमवर्क के बारे में अच्छे से समझा के मैम भेजती है, तो बच्चा उसको अच्छे से देखता है। उसके बारे में क्लास वर्क और होमवर्क हम बैठ के करवाते हैं घर पे, और नेक्स्ट डे होमवर्क सेंड करते हैं मैम को, तो मैम अच्छे से टिक करके उसमें फ्लावर, स्माइली, या गलत है तो नीचे वो एक लाइन बना के देती है कि हाँ ये गलत है, ये सही है, तो उसको वापस हम प्रैक्टिस कराते हैं। तो इससे बच्चे का पढ़ाई में आई थिंक लॉस नहीं हो रहा है। एंड ऑनलाइन क्लासेस इज़ ए बेस्ट ऑप्शन फॉर students. Thank you.
Good evening. I, Savita Sharma, Reed's mother, who studies in class 5th in Central Academy. I pay my gratitude to all the school management and the respected teachers who made learning easy by providing online teaching and various activities which make studies interesting in this lockdown period. At least this make them busy and they can learn their syllabus. Otherwise, children may spoil time in playing. This is the best way of learning by staying home. Once again, I am grateful to all the teachers and the school management. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I just want to give my gratitude to the school staff and administration for their hard work that they are running online classes during this pandemic situation. Although with other schools are remain closed during this time, but Central Academy is doing such an amazing work. I just also wish to give my thanks and appreciation to the teachers that they are not only teaching the students, but though online tests, they are making the students to learn their courses simultaneously. I just wish all the good luck, and again a very very thank you to the school staff and administration for such doing an amazing work.
नमस्ते, हृदयाक्षी ओझा, कक्षा 3 सेंट्रल एकेडमी स्कूल की ओर से चलाई जा रही ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से मैं संतुष्ट हूँ। इससे बच्चे पढ़ाई पे जुड़े हुए रहते हैं, बच्चों का पढ़ाई के साथ में तारतम्य बना हुआ रहता है, और साथ ही में प्रत्येक कक्षा के बाद में जो टेस्ट है उसकी व्यवस्था से भी मैं संतुष्ट हूँ। मैं ये मानती हूँ कि ये विद्यालय की ओर से प्रयास बहुत ही सराहनीय है और अच्छा है। धन्यवाद।
Hello ma'am, myself Madara Paslesha Sarkar from 4th B. Now I am telling about your online classes. Actually in this situation, in this tough situation, it is very challenging and very difficult for us to keep the students at the home. Really it is very challenging and difficult. But your online classes help us to fight with this challenge. Students also take interest about your classes. Teachers are very helpful. They give the homework and check it and give the feedback. So our child take the interest about this class. So in a word, really we are satisfied of this. Thank you ma'am.
Hello everyone, myself Archa Mathur, mother of Predit Mathur, class 4E. I want to thank Central Academy for conducting online classes. My son is doing study on daily basis through WebEx class. I want to thank and appreciate all the subject teachers for their hard work. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Vanisha Devnani. I am mother of Prati Devnani. In this time of COVID, Central Academy has taken a great step to providing education digitally. They have prepared curriculum in such a wonderful manner. I sincerely appreciate to the teachers, coordinators and the staff of Central Academy.
Hello everybody. See, I'm going to tell you something about the online education that is going on in the Central Academy. See, our children should be taught early in life to take in their stride the so-called failures and the resilience to deal with them. We need to equally accept their strengths and the weaknesses and not to judge for it. They should be encouraged in a positive manner to work on their weaknesses at home as well as at school. I am confident that somewhere along the way they will pick up the skills needed to cope up with the disappointments and the pressures of life. I would like to congratulate and thanks the Central Academy team for the outstanding work they put in for every child by way of imparting knowledge through online classroom study. It is really helping my child to adapt the new normal. As parents, it is our moral duty to raise kids effectively, and being a good parent can be a challenging task.
Good morning. I'm Rajal Chopra, Shanvi mother. So we all know during COVID-19 the school are closed. So their online class. I am glad to have opportunity to appreciate all the teachers for teaching our children. They are studying so well. There is very good support from all teachers in Central Academy School.
Mother of Ashmi and Arohi Mehta, want to give some reviews about school and staff. Thank you school and staff for your hard work for supporting my daughters as they develop. With your guidance, my daughters have developed into a confident child. Your expertise in teaching has put our minds at ease. We are so grateful to have you as our child teachers. The past few months have been very difficult for our family, and you have been a supportive part of my daughter's life throughout the phase. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Hello, I am Nivedita's mother. My name is Krishna Bhatti, and now I am saying about online learning schedule of Central Academy. During COVID-19 pandemic, there is a dangerous situation all around us, and it is very unsafe for children to go to school. During this period, Central Academy started online learning education program for children. It is very helpful for children. In online learning program, there is a audio meeting, video meeting, and there is a online meeting with teachers, and lots of video and creative activities done by Central Academy, and it is very helpful during this situation for my children. Thank you very much Central Academy and its cooperation.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. I'm Neha Jain, mother of Aditya Jain, class 8E. Amidst this lockdown period, the great initiative taken by Central Academy School by starting the online classes is highly appreciable. Digital learning is the upcoming future, and they have taken a step forward by starting these online classes. These have been very helpful in learning the new course, and the teachers are being very helpful, and they were providing whatever kind of help a student needs through and through for the benefit of a student. And we are highly grateful to the Central Academy School as well as the teachers who have taken pains to make this program a success. Thank you.
Hello everyone. These days, because of a great pandemic, COVID-19, school is taking online classes of the students. My son Bhavya Rathi, the student of 8th class, is regularly attending the classes. I noticed that he is taking interest in online studies. All the subject teachers doing good efforts for the students' online studies. They satisfy the queries of the students. I appreciate and applaud the teachers for their good efforts towards online studies. Though it is a new experience for all of us, but you all are doing good. So keep it up. Good day. Thank you.
I am Happy Chugani, fathers of Janvi Chugani of 8E in Central Academy School, Pali. I would like to share my thoughts regarding online classes. I would like to thank all the teachers who engage children and makes each child to excited about this learning in this tough period, and giving their best efforts to the child. They are making their PDF and downloading chapters and solving the queries, every child personally. At least I would like to thank all faculty members of the Central Academy School for making their bright future.
Good morning. Today we have stuck up in a pandemic situation which is arose in a century and is inevitable. We have to keep ourselves and our family at home to protect ourselves from COVID-19 situation. In this situation, the school has adapted rapidly to the changes and switched to various e-learning programs so that the children's studies are not hampered and they can walk with the pace of time. Central Academy School has started various e-learning programs such as WebEx Meeting and Robot app. Webex meeting is like a two-way communication between a child and a teacher. He can ask any questions instantaneously to the teacher. It is like almost a classroom studies. And if anyhow he misses his Webex classes, he can switch to Rover app, which also guides him on the same topic. All teachers have put their sincere efforts to make the education and learning easy and comfortable for a child. So I would like to thank all the teachers, staff members, technicians involved in this e-learning programs, and especially school also, who has taken such step so that the journey of learning doesn't stop. Thank you.